Natin ng 7.5 na fushyware. Magalo unahin na muna natin yung tatlo. Pantayin na natin muna. At
why do you need water?
ang kulit mo. And then, sundin natin yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Saan mo na pinapanood yung ano?
How should I do this thing?
Yung sa'yo.
Dito ka kami.
Ito naman ang half. Papasok natin. At
Okay. This is
kailangan naka-fit siya. Then, ano na siya?
This is beautiful.
Saan natin? Kailangan natin ito.
Jonah, is this beautiful?
Oh, it's beautiful.
No,
Try
is
natin.
mine beautiful?
Ganito. Yes, it will become beautiful. Unahin naman na maglagay tayo ng
Jonah,
5
look.
pieces.
Look at it. Oh my god!
Wow.
Oh my god!
That's, oh my god.
I'm tired.
Just now we started. Now it's finished.
I'm so tired. How is this so possible?
Oh, it's so visible.
Jonah, we're just gonna use the pipe cleaners inside, not out. Okay?
Okay. Then another one.
Pink purple. I'm gonna go like pink purple, pink purple, pink purple.
Hindi perfect pero sinusubukan.
Jonah.
Try na lang natin. Practice makes perfect, diba?
Yeah, practice makes perfect.
Oh, chismosa talong batang to.
Oh my god.
Then, last one. Hindi ako magaling gumawa. Pero practice lang. Sige lang. Gora lang. Hanggang sa matuto. Then, another one. Meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, in the second layer,
We missed you on Merry
gawa tayo
Christmas.
ng
You wish you on Merry Christmas.
4.
You wish you-
The second layer naman to.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. You wish you a Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas. Wow.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Tiyaga lang talaga. Yung pag, ano,
Pangit siya nga, parang ang liliit.
hindi, saka, hindi siya masyadong nag-ano,
Hindi siya bukag. Anong tawag doon?
parang bukan.
We can just
Maganda.
use this later.
Parang ang liit.
Saka, ano niya,
Dapat
kinat ko siya.
Diba? 4, 5. Sabi?
Kinat siya.
This
Yung
just
pinakamataas.
looks amazing, Jonah.
Pinakataas.
Jonah,
Cut siya.
look.
Para mas maliit na lang.
Jonah, you're not even looking.
Wow. Gawin natin to. Hindi siya
Jonah,
perfect.
you're not working hard. I'm the one who's working.
Oh, you're working harder than me.
Look, Jonah, this
Okay.
will take forever.
Oh. And then, after that, ayusin na lang natin para maging perfect.
Video ka ba?
Oh.
Got it. Finally. Finally. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Mm,
yeah,
perfect.
yeah,
Aray ko.
What aray ko?